The Lighting Research Center at Rensselaer and the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority bring you this video about upgrading incandescent bulbs to LEDs or CFLs. In addition to saving money, upgrading incandescent bulbs is also great for the environment. Switching a living room over to LEDs will keep about the same amount of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere each year as not driving a car for a week. It will be most cost-effective to first upgrade the incandescent bulbs that are used the most and have the highest wattage. In most homes, that means starting in the living room and dining room. To maintain light levels, the replacement bulb should produce about the same amount of light, measured in lumens, as the incandescent bulb that it's replacing. First, look at the original bulb to determine its power demand in watts. If the bulb is halogen, then multiply the power by 1.4 to get the equivalent incandescent power. If the bulb is a CFL, multiply by 3. Then, look up the light output in lumens based on the incandescent power of the original bulb. When you purchase a new LED, make sure it provides at least this much light. The new bulb should be of the same type or shape as the original one. This will help make sure that the light will be distributed in about the same pattern as with the original bulb. Make sure that the new bulb has the same type of base as the original bulb so it'll fit in the socket. Some base types commonly found in homes are the medium screw base, candelabra, GU10, and bipin. With the power off, measure the space inside the fixture. Bulb lengths aren't standardized, so you have to make sure that the new bulb will fit. Choose whether you want to use a CFL or an LED for the new bulb. As of 2015, LEDs save somewhat more energy than CFLs, but also cost more initially. Both CFLs and LEDs will pay for themselves in a year or so in a typical home. Some people say they don't like the light from CFLs, but in a blind test, most people can't tell the difference between the light from a CFL and from an LED. If the bulb will be used on a dimmer, make sure it has this capability. Dimmable LEDs usually have better dimming performance than dimmable CFLs. LEDs also do better than CFLs in very cold environments. But in a hot environment, such as when several bulbs are in an enclosed fixture, CFLs will usually do better than LEDs. CFLs contain a small amount of mercury, so they need to be disposed of properly. Many home improvement stores and some hardware stores offer recycling. LEDs should be recycled as other electronics are. When shopping for a new bulb, look for the Energy Star label. This is a mark of quality, not just energy efficiency. Also, look for a product with a strong warranty and save the documentation. To learn more about using LED and CFL bulbs in 36 different residential spaces, visit the Lighting Patterns for Homes website.